Guys, I feel like telling a little bit of a story today, and this is kind of a fun one. I'm going to try and keep it short. But I bought my first serious drone about a year ago, and it was a Potensic Atom with the 3-axis gimbal, 4K, 30p. Like, it was a beautiful little drone, and it was fun to fly, and it was within my budget. It's only a couple $100, and I used it, and I enjoyed it. But I was comparing footage that I was posting online with footage that my friends were posting, and there was no comparison. Their footage was so much better. I started reaching out to my friends and asking them, like, what kind of drone are you flying? I want to know. And they would tell me. And then, of course, I go look them up. And, of course, they were $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 drones. But there's one thing that I noticed that all of them had in common besides being out of my budget. They all had a 1-inch sensor. And I've shot with cameras with 1-inch sensors before. I know what they're capable of, certainly more than the little 1/3-inch sensors that these consumer drones have. That's when I got the idea to get on the email and contact Potensic. That's the brand that I was flying at the time, and reach out to them and suggest that if they put out a sub 250 gram drone, so that you don't have all the restrictions, with 4K, maybe even bump it up to 60p from the 30p that they're putting out. If you had that 3-axis gimbal and you had all the cool, fun follow me modes and all the automatic flight modes that they have, but they threw in that 1-inch sensor. I told them, I said that you would have a niche drone. And I said, most importantly, you got to keep it at about $1,000 or less. That was the big thing, because I found that there was a big jump between a $300 drone and then all of a sudden you were looking at $1,500 drones, $1,800 drones, and that was just out of my budget. So they say you get what you ask for, guys. And lo and behold, 5 weeks later, there was an announcement, but it wasn't from Potensic. It was from another brand. And the other brand was announcing, hey, we're going to release a sub 250 gram drone with the 1-inch sensor and all the follow me modes, GPS, and all that fun stuff, and keep it under $1,000. And guys, this is it right here. I'm happy to have it. I literally asked for this drone. I put it out into the world, and this is what happened. Now, I don't know if DJI and Potensic are working together. I mean, they're both Chinese companies. Who knows? Maybe they talk and share amongst themselves. Maybe they're the same brand. I don't know. A couple of their models look an awful lot alike. But I gotta say, it's fun because I put it out there into the world, and 5 weeks later there was an announcement, and then all of a sudden 5 weeks after that, everybody and their dog had one, including me. So there it is. I put it out into the world. I got what I asked for. I couldn't be happier. I can't wait to unbox it and fly it, guys.